We've arrived at the moment scientists warned us about. The tools we have for dealing with climate change are insufficient. Climate change is not just an environmental crisis. It's also an emotional one. 68% of people deeply engaged in climate work are experiencing significant burnout. 75% of young people globally say the future frightens them. We're asking humans to sustain engagement in a crisis that has no endpoint, and the infrastructure to support people in that simply isn't there. We need a new model for climate resilience. We tend to frame resilience as recovery. Something happens, we absorb the impacts, and then we have to go back to normal. But the climate disruption we're experiencing now breaks that model. It's ongoing, it's cumulative, and it's morally charged. So the question shifts, not how do we recover, but how do people remain connected, adaptive, collaborative in this context where there is no endpoint to the challenge. Our pilot study, published this year in Discover Sustainability, tested one approach. Participants moved through 3 phases: sharing stories and their emotions about what they're experiencing in climate, collaborative creative expression, and forward-looking action planning together. We measured the levels of climate distress before and after and found significant reductions in climate anxiety, powerlessness, and isolation, with medium to large effect sizes. Climate isolation dropped nearly 20%. This points to what current frameworks largely miss. Emotions aren't problems to manage. They're signals about what matters. Emotions are data about what people care about and what people are willing to work for to make better in the future. When those emotions are processed collectively, everything changes and we create renewed capacity for engagement. From our research and others' findings, we're seeing increasing evidence that climate emotions are something valuable, something that we need to engage with, something that helps us connect with each other and the future that we're going to build.